back to the new session where we will write a program in Java that will accept user input and check whether it's an odd or an even number. So without getting the time wasted, let's move to BlueJ IDE. Now let's start by creating a new class. Let's give the class a new name, that is odd or even. I will give it here. Now I will open in editor. Now I will remove all this stuff. Now let's start by importing. So import java.io.star, import java.util.star, or we can use import java.util.scan. Now let's start by creating a main class, that is public static void main string args. Let's take a number, int number, scanner sc equals new scanner. We are creating an object for the scanner. Now we're passing system.in. Now we will as number equals sc.nextInt. It will accept the user input. Now whatever the number that a user will input, we will check the remainder value. So we will use if else, if number mod 2 equals 0, then we will print system.out.println the entered number plus number is even. Else the number is odd. So it's a very basic program that we have written. So let's compile it. So there are no syntax errors. Let's close this. Now let's run this. First I will enter type input, so I will enter 89. So the entered number 89 is odd. Now I will run again. Now I will run 26. So number 26 is even. Yeah, that's all for today's Java code. Thank you for watching my video. If you like this video, please share, subscribe, like and comment. Thanks for watching.